Hi, I'm David Hurley, Test Lead for Microsoft's Live at EDU program. We test Live at EDU services to ensure they are reliable and world-class. We want your experience to be of high quality when using Live at EDU. Today we're going to help you with the third step of your Live at EDU deployment, testing and integrating your Live at EDU services. We will test drive your Live at EDU service by creating a subdomain or accepted domain off of the domain you wish to deploy services. To get started with this method of testing, sign in to the Live at EDU Service Management portal using your Live at EDU Administrator ID. On the SMP homepage, select the Domains page from the navigation column on the left. When you're on the Domains page, click on the Windows Live Admin Center link to add a test domain to your primary or tenant domain. When adding a test domain, make sure to select Outlook Live Mail. We also recommend that you use a name that clearly indicates that this is a test domain. This will create your test subdomain as an accepted domain in the Live at EDU service. You'll need to click on the Accept button to prove your domain. When you're notified that your test domain is verified, if you want mail to be delivered to your test domain, then you will need to update the MX record for the test domain. The MX record is the mail exchanger record in the domain name system, or DNS, and it specifies the mail server that is responsible for accepting email messages. You will need to use the information in the Windows Live Admin Center to update the MX record for this test domain. If you update the MX record at the primary domain level, you may break your existing mail flow for your primary domain. So make sure that you use the information found on this page to update your MX record. Once your MX record for the test domain has been confirmed, you can begin to receive mail in any of the test accounts you create. To create test accounts, select Users and Groups in the Service Management Portal navigation column. Next, click the Outlook Live Control Panel link. On the Outlook Live Control Panel, go ahead and select the Mailboxes tab. On this page, you can manually create several accounts or import test data as a CSV file. To manually create accounts, first click on the New link, then enter the appropriate information. Once you've entered the appropriate information, you can go ahead and click Save. You can repeat this process for each test account. To import data to create accounts, click on the Import Users and follow the instructions to upload a CSV file. Now we're going to apply co-branding. As we mentioned in the previous video, co-branding lets you customize the look and functionality of your services with an institution logo and links specific to your needs. To do this, select co-branding in the SMP navigation column. Click the Windows Live Admin Center link to start customizing your Live at EDU services. In the Windows Live Admin Center, select Outlook Live. Then, follow the steps to add your co-branding elements, such as your logo, custom background images, special colors, and other options. Make sure to click Save. Then select the header and footer in the left navigation. Confirm your customization options, then go ahead and click Save. Now select Co-branding in the left navigation and then click Preview Changes button. Click the preview link for each service, Outlook Live, and header and footer. If you're satisfied with the results, you can click Publish to the Web. Remember that it can take as long as 24 hours for the changes to be propagated out to the web and to see the co-branding. For more information and assistance on co-branding, click the link to the Co-Branding Administrator's Guide on the Service Management Portal co-branding page. To get back to the SMP, just go ahead and close your browser window. And then go ahead and click on the Co-Branding Administrator's Guide. Now we're going to test and confirm that you can send and receive email messages from each of your test accounts. This is the fun part. First, you'll need to sign out of the SMP. Go to Outlook.com. You'll be sent to the sign-in page. There, you'll sign in to Outlook Live with the Windows Live ID and password for your test account. You click Sign In. You'll see your email program. Go ahead and verify that you can send and receive email messages. And away you go. Okay, we've set up a test domain, created test user accounts, and configured our co-branding. Now it's time to develop and finalize the communication materials you'll use to spread the word about your institution's new Live@edu services. We found that the most successful Live@edu deployments are the ones where everyone at the institution knows when the services will be available and everyone knows how to use them. You can find a wide variety of useful materials in the Student Launch Kit. Go to the SMP homepage, scroll down to the Recommended Tasks section, and click on the link for the Student Launch Kit. You're now at the Promote on Campus page of the Live@edu website, where you'll find everything from posters and flyers to email messages and web banner ads, as well as advice on how to launch an effective communications program. Now we're going to set up your authentication solution. If you selected single sign-on as your authentication solution in Step 2 of your deployment, you should have received an email notification from us that single sign-on was enabled for your institution. As well, you will have received instructions and a link to a certificate for you to install. For more information and specific help to your needs, select Single Sign-On link on the Service Management Portal navigation and click on the article about implementing a single sign-on solution. Congratulations! You've completed Step 3 in your Live@edu deployment, testing and integrating your services. Your next step is to launch great email, calendar, and instant messaging and online collaboration services for your institution. If you need more information after watching this video, you can visit the Enroll and Deploy section on live@edu.com or check out the community forum Live@edu Answers. Make sure to watch the next video in this series to get more helpful tips on launching Live@edu at your institution. Thank you again for enrolling in Live@edu.